Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Bajaj CT 110X, a motorcycle designed for rugged performance and reliability, perfect for daily commuting and light-duty adventures. Known for its affordability and durability, the CT 110X is a favorite among budget-conscious riders looking for practicality and style. The 2025 CT 110X features a robust and tough design, with its raised front fender, thick crash guards, and a stylish headlamp with a visor. The bike is built to handle rough terrains while maintaining a modern look. The rugged frame, sturdy grab rails, and durable body panels ensure it can withstand the rigors of daily use and off-road challenges. At its core, the bike is powered by a 115cc air-cooled, single-cylinder engine, delivering 8.6 PS of power and 9.81 Newton-meters of torque. This refined motor is paired with a 4-speed gearbox, offering smooth power delivery and excellent fuel efficiency, making it a cost-effective choice for both urban and rural riders. The 2025 CT 110X is equipped with dual-purpose tires that provide excellent grip on varied surfaces, including dirt roads and city streets. The bike features a comfortable long seat with superior cushioning, ensuring a relaxed ride for both the rider and pillion. Its high ground clearance and sturdy suspension setup, including telescopic front forks and dual rear shocks, allow it to tackle uneven roads with ease. The braking system includes drum brakes on both ends, complemented by CBS combi braking system, ensuring safe and controlled stops. The wide handlebar and upright seating posture enhance comfort and control during long rides. With its high fuel efficiency, rugged build, and affordable price tag, the 2025 Bajaj CT 110X is an excellent choice for those seeking a reliable and versatile bike. Its low maintenance and long-lasting performance make it an ideal companion for both work and leisure. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting bike reviews and updates. Stay tuned for more content.
Thank you.